Okay, this problem asks us to find the median. So the first thing we want to do before we get started is we want to get these numbers in order from least to greatest. So take a second, I'm going to hit pause on the video, go ahead and let's put these numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay, so now that we've got those numbers listed from least to greatest, I'm just going to double check to make sure I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of my numbers. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to count in. We're going to try to find that middle number. So we go 1 in, 2 in, 3 towards the middle, 4 towards the middle. And then we can see right here that the median should be in between these numbers, right? So how do we find the median? What we do is we add these two numbers together and we divide by 2. So 15 plus 17 divided by 2 is, sorry, it's a little early. $32 divided by 2. And so 32 divided by 2 gives us 16, and that would be the median.